In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A12s, and let me show you how to activate developer mode on this device. So at first, let's open the settings, then go to the About Phone and enter software info. Now find and select build number and tap on it 7 times. Then enter your unlock pattern if you have one. And that's it. As you can see, developer mode has been enabled. So just let's go back, scroll a bit lower, and as you can see, developer options appeared right here. So click to open, and now you can use all the features, all the options that are included here. And to switch developer panel off, you need to tap on this icon. And as you can see, it is no longer active. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.